Hello, good evening to everyone. This one is Subwoofer model DSW PRO600. Now the symptoms of this one, when you turn on the power, turning on the power, the lights goes green and then turns to red, meaning there is a fault inside that we are going to find out what is it. Okay. According to the owner of this amplifier, someone has attempted to repair and they are not able to find some parts. First, we have to check the power supply, the voltage. This is the power supply module. This is the amplifier module, and this is the main board, the processor board. Okay, the power supply is here. It has ground, and then power on 5 volt. This one 5V is 5 volt standby. Another 5 volts. This is analog 5 volts, and the next is 12 volts. This one. So it has 3 power voltage, and this one is for the amplifier power supply. I will check first the 12 volts. Volts is here, and then on. Let's see. Oh, sorry. On. It has 12 volts, but it's dropping down. How about 5 volts? This is the 5 volts. The same 5 volts is there, but it's dropping down. This one is shutting down. Another 5 volts. This one is for the standby. The standby is here. It's not dropping. So let's go to the power supply of the amplifier board. This is the power supply of the amplifier board. I'm sorry because I don't have enough space here. On. What? It's dropping down also, but the supply of the amplifier board is too low. When it's going to on, the reading is, I think this one is 6 volts. Too low, very low. It should be at least 36 volts here. So we have a problem on this section, but for the standby, this is the standby transformer. This one is okay. This one because this power supply divided by 2. Other part is the standby, and then the secondary supply for the amplifier board. Okay. Let us check if there is a shorted part on the power supply section of the amplifier. This is the positive, this is the negative. So let's check if it's shorted or not. Okay, this one is good. How about this from the amplifier? This is the positive and this is the negative. Okay, reverse. Okay, we're good. No shorted. What next? Remove the power supply. Okay, someone attempt to repair this one, and it's very obvious that they solder this one, also this, and this, as well this one, also this. I will solder it first before deciding to replace that part. Sometimes resoldering will solve the problem. If there is less solder, soldering is the best way to start on the suspected parts that might be loose. Okay, this part, it look like transistor, but this one is not. Instead of using Zener diode, they are using this programmable regulators, because features of the A431 series, this one, is excellent replacement for Zener diodes in numerous application circuits that require a precision reference voltage. So I found it in a datasheet. The programmable IC or regulator is this one. Number one, the pin connection. Number one is a reference. This one is the reference voltage to anode and cathode, which is stands for a Zener diode. Here's in symbol. This is the symbol. Anode and cathode. Meaning anode, cathode, 2 and 3, just like a diode. But my tester reading, this one is reverse forward, still have reading. So meaning this part has with leak and need to be changed, or I will find this Zener diode, but the value I don't know. We are looking for this part. This one, AX43183K. A431. Remember, pin number 2 and 3 is diode. So when we are going to check this one, there's a movement of my meter. Reverse should not. Still have, it's a leakage. This one is need to be changed. What to do? We don't have parts like this. Let me think. Hello to everyone. I'm back. You know what? I am lucky at this time. I am so lucky. You know why? I have found this part that we need on donor board. I didn't expect that there is a part like that, so I'm so happy that I found one, and now I am so excited have to test this one, and we hope for the best that it will work. Okay. So here the defective one is, I put it here. This is the defective one. Let me grab my tester. Okay. And we'll test it again. This one is the defective one. 2 and 3 should, there is no reverse. If you reverse this one, other side doesn't like that. So this one has leak. And let's go to this reverse. Okay, this one is good. Now the same part number, let me focus it. If see, so this is the defective one and this is a good one. Let's see, TL431AC. It's the same, different letters but the same number. This one is 431 A431. This one is TL431 AC. So now we don't need this diagram. Let's put this one. Where is the defective one? This is the defective one, and this is the okay one. I will solder it now and do some cleaning. I am using lacquer thinner for cleaning. Lacquer thinner. This This is the first time that I received like this model brand, Polkaudio. So what I did is to find out the problem, analyze first the problem. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, because we have a lot of things to do that are very informative. Just follow my channel, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button so that you will get updated. So now we find out that this one is faulty. We only just replace this one, and we hope for the best that it will work. Alright, there we go. And let's do the test. Hope you can see it. Here is the light. And on. It's working now. Yes. Nice.
Fill me out with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame.
That is so nice. Only one part is defective. We are so lucky we found that part. So what I'm going to do now is to test the speaker. Okay, are you ready now? Let's power it on. Green. If you see, it's green. Before turns to red. Now green, which is normal. Now let's do the test. I would like to show you this thing. I made it. This is a multi-purpose. This one is for PL jack. This one is for XLR, and this one is for RCA. And the 3.5 jack, this one is stereo. If you would like to know how I made it, just put your comment down below, and I will make another one on how I made this one, just to give you an idea. Let's go in this one, RCA. We're using this one, RCA. And then volume. Yes, it's work. You heard that? It's working now. It's working now. Okay. Job is done. Thank you for watching.